Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make stewed green peas. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh or frozen green peas, which is perfect for 4 servings. Also, grab 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil. Don't forget 1 cup of vegetable broth, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Fresh herbs like mint or parsley will add a lovely finish. Now, let's get everything prepped for maximum flavor. Begin by finely dicing your small onion and mincing those 2 cloves of garlic. If you're using fresh green peas, a quick blanch in boiling water for about 2 minutes will help them retain their vibrant color and tenderness. For frozen peas, simply ensure they are fully thawed. Having all your ingredients measured and ready to go makes the cooking process much more enjoyable and efficient. It's time to start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your diced onion and sauté it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes soft and translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Finally, add the green peas and 1 cup of vegetable broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. To finish, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it gently simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. The peas should become wonderfully tender, and the liquid will have slightly reduced, concentrating the flavors. Now, season your stewed peas with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt, adjusting to your personal taste. Garnish generously with fresh chopped mint or parsley, and serve this delicious dish warm. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.